Our project's about developing sensor technology that farmers want to use. There's been decades of sensors go out into paddocks and farmers haven't had good experience with them. And farmers tell us that they've got more sensors sitting in the shed unused than they've got in their paddock being used today, any day, any time. But farmers still want to be measuring things and they still want to be making informed decisions. It's just that the sensor technology to date hasn't done the job for them. So we're looking at 3 to 4 different types of technology. The first one's going to be a smart shovel. So we went to our farmers and we talked about measuring soil moisture, and one of the things that they told us is that they'd given up on sensors and they'd gone back to having a look in the paddock with a shovel. And so we thought, well, let's build them a better shovel. A shovel that actually measures soil moisture and record it and map it and display it and guide them back to the same points if they want to monitor over the time, that they can look at multiple depths in the soil and do what they want rather than having a sensor in the ground that stays in the one spot, continuously pinging them data that they mostly don't need. So it's really putting that autonomy back into the hands of the growers. It's really about them being able to explore where they've got moisture on the farm. So whether it's improving an irrigation system or variable rate irrigation, or deciding what to plant or where to plant, or trying to understand why one part of a paddock is always underperformed to another. It's that sort of technology that they'll be able to do, as well as keeping records as to what's changing over time and how deep in the profile water's going and those sorts of things. Collaboration's really important. The project's being led out of University of Tasmania, but we have a number of other research providers. So we're working quite closely with Federation University and also the University of Southern Queensland. And we have 5 different grower groups associated with the project as well. And they're distributed across a whole range of cropping, non-cropping groups and industries around Australia, in different climates, different soils and different farming systems.